Good Friday morning, everybody. This is Mitch with Denny's Auto, and I hope you had a wonderful 4th of July. And I especially hope that you didn't hear any squeaking or grinding noises coming from your brakes when you're driving over to your cookouts and your fireworks shows. Because that is my biggest pet peeve. When I am driving in my personal vehicles and I hear a brake squeak or a grind, I become irate. You just ask my wife Amanda, she will verify that for you. That's what we want to talk about today, is the causes of different brake noises and grinding noises and things of that nature. And so brake noise can be caused from a number of things, from a rock being stuck in between your pads and your rotors, to your pads being worn too low and touching the squeaker, to an anti-rattle clip that's touching the rotor, or just a bad glazed over rotor that's affected the brake pad. And so what I have here, if this is going to focus, is a brand new brake pad. So this brake pad, as you can see, is nice and thick. This is about 10 to 12 millimeters thick. Brand new brake pad. This guy right here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's the anti-rattle clip. So this is what's going to keep your brake pad secure in the caliper housing, in the brackets. Every now and then we'll see one that is bent in, kind of like that. And if it's installed improperly and it touches that, or if it breaks and it gets stuck in there, that's going to cause this brake squeal. Another thing that can cause a brake squeal is this guy right here. This is called the squeaker. And you can see the squeaker kind of comes up and over this backing plate just a little bit. So as the brake pad wears down, the rotor is eventually going to touch that squeaker, and that's going to cause a squeaking noise as well. Now, if this brake pad wears down all the way down to this backing plate, so you're just touching this is metal. You're going to have metal-to-metal contact, and that's going to ruin your rotors. So the moral of the story is, if you have any squeaks or grinds, let's get those figured out for you as soon as possible so we can hopefully avoid buying rotors, because rotors get very costly. Brake pads are an affordable repair. Great thing, keep you safe and on the road and happy. That way you won't have any of those brake squeaks and you won't become irate like me. So if you have any of those squeaks, give me a call at 801-254-6554, or you can make an appointment directly on our website at dennysautomotive.com. Thank you, everybody, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.